Hello students, today I will teach you about the Microsoft Excel. Now, what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel or MS Excel is a sheet of paper which is divided into rows and columns containing data and information. It is used for performing complicated calculations. Now, parts of Microsoft Excel window. First is title bar. It is the thin bar present at the top of the screen which displays many items. Some of them are active like Word document, minimize button, maximize button, close button, etc. Second is quick access toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar contains frequently used commands that help us to perform tasks faster. It is present on the left side of the title bar. Next is File tab. It is used to display the backstage view, which is place where we need to come when we want to open or save files, create new documents, print documents, and so on. Next is Formula bar. Formula bar displays the contents of the active cell. It can also be used for entering or editing data and formulas. Next is Worksheet area. It consists of 65,536 rows and 256 columns. The numbering 1, 2, 3 and so on from top to bottom along the left edge of the worksheet are called rows, and the letters A, B, C and so on from the left to right of the worksheet are called columns. Cell. The intersection of a column and a row in a worksheet is called a cell. Status bar. Status bar is present at the bottom of the window. It displays information about the document such as the number of pages, number of words, view buttons, zoom slider bar, etc. Now, how to insert cells or rows or columns in MS Excel? Steps are: Step 1. Select the cell where you want to insert the blank cell, row or column. Step 2. Click on Insert option from the Cells group. Step 3. Click on Insert Cells options from the drop-down list. Step 4. Select the desired option from the dialog box. Step 5. Click on OK button. Now, how to delete cells, rows, columns in MS Excel. Step 1. Select the cell where you want to delete the cell, row or column. Step 2. Click on Delete option from the Cells group. Step 3. Click on Delete Cells option from the drop-down list. Step 4. Click on OK button. What is Autofill feature of MS Excel? Autofill feature allows you to quickly fill cells with repetitive or situation data such as dates or numbers. Next, how to create border. Steps are: select the cell or range of cells. Step 2. Click on Borders button from the Font group on the Home tab. Step 3. Click the border style which you want to apply from the drop-down list. Saving a workbook. Follow the given steps to save your workbook. Step 1. Click on File tab. Step 2. Click on Save option. Step 3. Select Computer and click on the Browse button. Step 4. Type your design name in the file name box. Step 5. Click on Save. Your document gets saved. Okay student, this is the end of the session. Goodbye.